Welcome to HODL Tutorials, buying HODL Hands NFTs and staking them for rewards on HODLX.exchange using BNB and Safepal wallet. Open your DEFI browser and direct it to HODLtoken.net/NFT and make sure you are set on the BSC Binance Smart chain network. Select Buy with BNB. You will be prompted to connect your wallet. Choose the amount of HODL Hands you wish to purchase and then select Mint. Choose your gas fees. Congratulations, your HODL Hand is on the way. You can watch your transaction process in real time on BscScan. How do I find my HODL Hand NFT? Find your token ID on your BscScan transaction receipt. Direct your browser to NFTkey.app. Do a search for HODL Hands NFTs. Input your token ID number. Magnificent. Return to HODLtoken.net/NFT and select Stake HODL Hand. Connect your wallet to HODLX.exchange. There are many staking options to choose from, but I prefer to be rewarded with the HODLX.exchange token. As you can see, I have already enabled my portion of the staking pool and am currently earning rewards. Select the plus button to add more HODL Hands. I only have one HODL Hand available in my wallet, so I choose Max. Congratulations! Your HODL Hand funds have been staked in the pool. Any rewards you were building at the time will be automatically harvested to your wallet. Thank you for considering purchasing HODL Hands NFTs, and thank you for watching this video.